This video discusses about microwave passive devices, that is waveguide T junctions. So basically in microwave circuits, a waveguide or coaxial junction with three independent ports is commonly referred to as T junction. So when you consider T junction will basically have either 3 ports or 4 ports. So the S matrix will be either 3 by 3 dimension or 4 by 4 dimension. Basically T junctions are divided into 3 types: E-plane T junction, H-plane T junction, and a combination of both, which is known as EH plane or magic T hybrid T junction. So if the T junction is formed by cutting a part of the waveguide in the horizontal direction and inserting a waveguide into it, that forms H-plane T junction. Now if the waveguide is formed, T junction is formed by cutting the waveguide in the vertical direction or in the parallel to E plane and inserting it into the waveguide, that forms E plane T junction. Then the third type is a combination of both by cutting both in the parallel to E plane and parallel to H plane and inserting a waveguide, that forms EH plane or magic T junction. So basically when you consider H plane T junction, it consists of 3 ports, that is port 1, port 2 and port 3. So port 1 and port 2 are known as collinear amps and they are symmetrical. So if an input power is fed to port 3, it gets divided equally between ports 1 and 2 in case of H-plane T junction. But because of the symmetry or how the device is designed, it gets divided equally between ports 1 and 2. And in case of E-plane T junction, because of the dimensions or the symmetry of the E-plane T junction, when an input power is fed at port 3, it gets divided equally but in opposite direction. So because of the corners of the E-plane, it gets divided equally, but phase of port 1 and the waves coming out of port 1 and port 2 will be out of phase with each other, or there will be a phase shift of 180 degree. Now here when you consider E-arm or E-plane, EH plane magic T junction, basically this has the properties of both E-plane and H-plane T junction. That is, the wave will act like, the properties are like both E-plane and H-plane. That is, when a power is fed to port 4, it gets divided equally between ports 1 and 2. And when a power is fed to port 3, it gets divided equally but with a phase shift of 180 degree. And E-arm and H-arm are completely isolated. The dimensions are in such a way that when you feed power to port 3, no power comes out of port 4. And similarly, when a power is fed to port 4, no power comes out of port 3 or the E-arm. So basically this is how these T junctions looks like. So as the device is cut in the vertical direction, so this is an E-plane T junction, and as it is cut in the horizontal direction, so this is an H-plane T junction, and a combination of both forms a magic. So this is magic T junction, this is H-plane T junction, and this is E-plane T junction.